Hello, brilliant minds, and welcome. Ever feel like reality is a bit stranger than you thought? Well, you're absolutely right. Today, we're rediving into some of the most mind-bending facts from the world of physics that will completely change how you see everything around you. So, buckle up, because we're about to take a wild ride through the very fabric of the universe. First up, let's talk about time. You probably think of time as a constant, ticking away at the same speed for everyone, everywhere. But what if I told you that's not true? Thanks to Einstein's theory of relativity, we know that time is, well, relative. The faster you move through space, the slower you move through time. Imagine you're on a super-fast spaceship, zipping through the cosmos. For you, time would pass much more slowly than for your friends back on Earth. If you traveled near the speed of light for just a few years and then returned, decades or even centuries could have passed on our planet. It's not science fiction. It's just how the universe works. Time literally bends and stretches depending on your speed. And it's not just speed that messes with time. Gravity does it too. The stronger the gravitational pull, the slower time passes. This means time ticks ever so slightly slower for your feet than it does for your head, because your feet are closer to Earth's massive gravitational field. The effect is tiny, but it's measurable with incredibly precise atomic clocks. 2. On a massive object like a black hole, where gravity is immense, time slows down dramatically. This phenomenon is called gravitational time dilation. So, if you ever want to stay younger, just hang out in a strong gravitational field. Though I probably wouldn't recommend getting too close to a black hole. Now, let's move on to another fundamental force: gravity. We experience it every single day. It's what keeps us grounded, literally. But how strong is it? Really? On a cosmic scale, gravity is surprisingly weak. Think about it. A simple refrigerator magnet can pick up a paperclip, overcoming the gravitational pull of the entire planet Earth. The electromagnetic force holding that magnet to your fridge is vastly more powerful than the gravity of a 6 sextillionton planet pulling on that tiny clip. Gravity only seems strong to us because we live on a massive object. If you were on the moon, where gravity is only about 1/6 as strong, you could jump 6 times higher. That's why astronauts look like they're bouncing around in slow motion up there. Speaking of space, let's talk about the ultimate speed limit. Nothing in the universe can travel faster than the speed of light in a vacuum. It's the cosmic speed limit, and it's a mind-bogglingly fast 299,792 kilometers per second. At that speed, you could circle the Earth more than 7 times in a single second. This constant, represented by the letter c, in Einstein's famous equation, E=mc, is a fundamental property of our universe. When you look up at the stars, you're not seeing them as they are right now. You're seeing them as they were in the past, because it took time for their light to travel across the vastness of space to reach your eyes. The light from our own sun takes about 8 minutes to get to us, so if the sun were to suddenly disappear, we wouldn't know about it for a full 8 minutes. The classic sci-fi movie answer is usually big explosions and laser sounds. But the reality is much different. Space is a vacuum, meaning it's almost completely empty. Sound needs a medium to travel through, like air or water. It travels as vibrations that move from particle to particle. Without particles to vibrate, there's no way for sound to travel. So, in the vast emptiness between planets and stars, there is complete and total silence. If a star exploded right next to you, you wouldn't hear a thing. It would be a spectacular silent light show. Astronauts in space can talk to each other inside their helmets because there's air to carry the sound waves. But outside, it's the most profound silence imaginable. So, there you have it. From bendy time and weak gravity to the illusion of touch and the silence of space, the universe is a truly fascinating and counterintuitive place. The rules that govern reality are often stranger than anything we could imagine. Hopefully, these facts have sparked your curiosity and given you a new appreciation for the incredible world of physics. Thanks so much for joining me on this journey through the cosmos. If you enjoyed this and want to explore more mind-blowing science, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. What's the most surprising physics fact you've ever heard? Let me know in the comments below. Until next time, stay curious.